Simple Italian cooking here, the place where I share with you very simple and basic techniques so that you can create delicious food at home. So today is vegan day. Orecchiette al pomodoro, which is basically a very special pasta type from southern Italy, from Puglia region, with a nice tomato sugo. I love this dish for various reasons. So first of all, it is super delicious, it's healthy, the kids love it, and it's low cost, but more importantly, it's very easy to prepare. You only need very few ingredients. So I show you. Come close, I show you. So basically, you only need what you see here. Very good olive oil. You will need the orecchiette pasta. It's a very special pasta type. If you translate it, it means little ears. It comes from the Puglia region in southern Italy, and you also see the cooking time, 13 to 15 minutes. That's a basic rule. The longer the cooking time, usually the better the pasta quality is. We will also need the tomatoes. It's a polpa from one of my preferred brands, obviously. Those who follow me for a while will know this. You will, as usual, need salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, and then we got the herbs. We got the basic stuff, which is red onion, a little bit of garlic, and very important, basil. Basil is really important for this dish. In addition to that, my homegrown herbs, which is a salvia leaf, a little bit what is left in this winter season from my mince plant. A few olives, and guess what? I found them in the neighborhood and collected them. It's winter season, the right time. And we luckily also got a little chili piece from our friend Salvia from the neighborhood. Small pieces. You know this technique. You have been following me for a while, and it's very basic stuff, but really important. And I can tell you, it's such a joy using this knife from Japan. Of course, only for cutting food, but it's really fun. It makes such a difference. And so I add the onions into the pot. Next step will be the garlic piece. So I cut the garlic piece first horizontally and then vertically, depending on which side you're watching. Try to cut it as small as possible, and I try to avoid cutting my fingers or fingernails. Only the garlic will end up in this pot, hopefully. Yes. So garlic is cut. We will then add a healthy dose of olive oil. I think this is it. And did I forget anything? Yes, these olives, of course. They look a bit dry, but now when they are drowned in the olive oil, they will get nice. Let's choose number 5. At low flame, we heat this up, and then we will move. Started frying now. We can add a few salvia leaves, and I think now it's also the time to add the tomatoes. Or let's wait 1 more minute, and then we will add the ingredients. So the tomatoes. We will certainly add the basil leaves that I have already cut into small pieces. We will add those few mint leaves that I found in the garden. We will add a reasonable amount of salt, which I think this is. We will add a reasonable amount of sugar. About this amount. A little bit of pepper. And finally, I will cut this chili, but I first need to make the test how spicy it is. It's moderately spicy, so I will cut about, let's say, 5 pieces. If it ends up too spicy, I can still add some sugar to neutralize. Believe it or not, we are almost finished with cooking. All the ingredients are here. So this needs to cook now on low flame for at least 1 hour, 1.5, 2 hours is even better. And that's it. Then we just need to cook the pasta and we are there. It's really, really easy. This is why I love it. Let's have a look. Come closer, come closer. Look at this. So this has now been cooking for about 15 minutes. Theoretically we could eat now, but we want it to taste really good and cook out all the acids from the tomatoes. So we will let this cook for, let's say, another hour, and then we're ready to eat. Wow. Here, after 1 hour of cooking, this is how it looks like. And for those of you who have never cooked pasta, you need to boil water in the pot. Put the pasta into the pot and close the pot and leave it like this for about 12 minutes. And then, dear friends, the final moment has come. Let's enjoy this waterfall. Wow. Incredible. Let's mix it up and we are ready to eat. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, my friends, and now I'm doing this vegan dish, unvegan, with a little bit of Parmigiano, and I really need that. This is part of my diet. Oh my God.